Are you looking for an affordable small wallet? If you are looking for a small wallet which is affordable and practical, then stay tuned for the review. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review about the Michael Kors small wallet. It is a very small wallet with the print logo or logo print canvas. So this is a very small review, nothing much to review about it. But this one is very practical for me, though this wallet is not very thin, but it's still very practical. All right. This wallet has 4 card slots, and also you can put cards here. I put some cards also here. And also inside there is another 1 slot. You can also put card or anything. The good thing about this is this also come with a key ring holder. So if you can place your key here and just put it here, so it will be fine. And also it's coming with a leather wristlet. Though I'm not using this wristlet much because I am usually using it inside my big bag or maybe inside any crossbody. So I use it as a small wallet or card slot maybe, because I don't carry many caches, so mostly the cards. But yeah, I use only this one because I can keep my keys inside, though I can also place it inside this ring, but yeah, I'm just placing my keys here because I need to take it out for another bags and all, and I don't have any extra keys, so I just keep it here, maybe some cash, and I place card. For me it's best because I carry only 3 cards and it has only 3 slots, so it's fine for me. And this is removable, so when I use it inside my a big bag or any crossbody bag, then I just remove this strap and use like this. If you haven't seen my YSL unboxing video, then you may check that out. There I just place this wallet for my card holder and for other purpose. And yeah, because this definitely cannot fit any phone, this is a very small wallet. But yeah, if you don't need to carry your phone, or you carry your phone in your pocket, then you can just only grab this in your hand because it has a wristlet, so it's very useful to use. And the best part is this one is not a very thin, because maybe due to the key holder here, this actually making it a little bit thicker. And inside also they have the leather patch for where it's written Michael Kors, if you can see. So this is all about this small wallet. As I told you, there is nothing much to review about it, but this one is very practical. The another thing I like about this, the one of this card slot is actually for the ID purpose. I know you can also place your ID card in any other wallet if you want, I mean that any normal slot, but I always find it useful when there is a clear space for the your ID card. So that's a plus for me. And you definitely place another two on each, but I don't do it because I told you I carry only 3 cards. You can place cards here, cash here, also your key inside, and yeah, that's all. So this is all about the small wallet from the Michael Kors. It's very reasonable if you are looking for a small leather good. I mean, it's not leather. This part is leather, yes. It's a shiny leather. Though the shiny leathers, I'm not sure which type of leather it is, because in the website it's just written 100% leather, but did not mention it's caviar or lambskin or faux. I don't know. It could be faux. But yeah, I'm using it for about 4 to 5 months now. I bought it from Malaysia on my last trip because my previous wallet was very thick, so it was very difficult for me to carry on the thick one, especially the one which is coming with a trifold or the bifold. I don't like that. I like this kind of small, straight, slim wallet for where I can carry my cash and my cards, and I'm good to go. So yeah, I bought this. That's why I bought this one. My previous one was a little bit thicker. So yeah, this I think this is still in a pristine condition, but yeah, I do not find anything. So because this is in print canvas, so actually it is very durable. Maybe there will be some scratches on this portion later on because it's a smooth leather, but still till now it's no scratches at all, and I did not find anything. It's a very good wallet, I think, and it's very reasonable. When I bought it, it was like 300 ringgit, which was about like less than $100. And yeah, so it was this was actually on sale on that time when I bought it. So yeah, Michael Kors usually give their sales most of the time. It's better if you can go to the outlet. Then there are many options than in the online, I feel, because I did not find the exact one in the online, but it was present in the store. So yeah, it's better to check the outlet most of the time. The wristlet is very nice. It's though I haven't used it, I just place it now for this video purpose because I haven't used it ever. Though the Michael Kors is already embossed here on their clasp, and also Michael Kors embossed here on their zip. So yeah, so this is all about this Michael Kors small wallet. If you're looking for a bigger one than this, maybe you can watch my last video where I reviewed about another Michael Kors wallet, which is a little bigger one with a smartphone holder. I hope you can also enjoy that. So yeah, that's the review for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, then please press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. I see you later. Bye.